Hello class, it's Sister Garver. I just wanted to go over the week 14 assignments with you. This week you will have fewer assignments than normal, but they will all be due on Wednesday of week 14. So please make sure that you plan ahead and that you're ready to turn those in on Wednesday night. This week there will not be any quiz over the chapter or any reading in the chapter, so that's a little bit different than normal. You will, however, have some extra journals to do. You want to note here on this assignment it says journals B and Journal 32. They are both required, so it's not optional like it would be on a normal week. So basically what you're going to do for these journals is you're going to retake that self-assessment that you took in the very first week of the course, and you can reach the link for that here on the assignment page in the modules. And then after you've retaken that, what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to your Google Workbook, and you're going to transfer your scores from the first week, the beginning of the semester assessment, and you're going to transfer that to this column. And then you're going to transfer your new scores, your end of semester scores on the self-assessment, to this column right here, so you can easily compare between the two. You should still have a copy of your self-assessment scores that we did at the beginning of the semester. You should still have a copy of it. Remember, we did in Journal A and 1. You should have your scores recorded there. If you do not, then I hope that you saved a backup copy somewhere. Unfortunately, I'm not sent a copy of the scores, so I will not be able to recover them if you don't have a copy already saved in your journal or on your computer. So basically, you're going to compare your scores and just see how you've improved, and then do some analysis questions on your improvement in each area. And that's going to be Journal B and Journal 32. Remember, you're required to do both of them this week for a total of 30 points. After that, you're going to have your final journal reflection, and there's some instructions in the modules. Let's hop to that really quickly here in the workbook. So there's a few questions that you're going to have to answer. I'm expecting about a paragraph response for each of these. So just be aware of that. And then the other assignment that you have, which is an optional assignment, is you can write an on-course essay, and this would be an essay similar to the ones that you read in the book. Again, this is an optional assignment. It is for extra credit, and you do not have to do it, but you can certainly choose to. And there's instructions here for how you can enter your essay with in the online system and be able to have an opportunity to get a prize, and also to get your story possibly put into the next edition of the on-course textbook. So that's just an optional assignment that you can do if you have a little extra time, if you'd like to do that. But you do not have to do that. So your only real assignments for week 14 are journals B and Journal 32, retaking the self-assessment, and doing the final journal assignment. So remember one more time that the week does end on Wednesday, so all of your assignments will be due that night. So please be aware of that as you're budgeting your time. I do encourage you to start on things early. It's been a great semester, and I've been happy to see all of you grow and all of you develop in this. Please let me know if you have any questions, and I've been very happy to be your teacher this semester. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.